everybody, welcome to my channel. What? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah.
I'm Alana Rose.
And the Sarah Alana Rose channel.
Thank you for being here.
Oh, I'm so sleepy.
Felip.
Oh,
I love.
you're supposed to blink twice. That's what Petey said.
What?
If you let me blink twice, you love him, so blink twice. I think you're actually gonna do it. Okay, today we're reacting to Felip, 7 Cents on NYX. This is episode 1, so
this is live.
It's
live. So
I don't know what songs he's singing in here, but
I just know it's 18 minutes.
Yes.
And we're in for the long haul.
I'm gonna be sweating after this.
I'm gonna be screaming.
Don't scream. It's lit.
I didn't mean to do that. That was weird. I'm so sorry.
I never see it. This is what I edited.
Just wait, because I was gonna do it again for you, but I thought about it. I said no.
Don't do it again.
Not for them to get me another time and try to make a meme.
Make a meme, guys. It's 10:45. Excuse me.
We
got
should
the spicy
be
burps.
done by 11 some.
Got the spicy burps. Yeah.
By 11 some. This video.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? I mean, I'm really excited because I really want to hear Felip.
Yeah.
You ready? I'm ready. Are you guys ready? You guys are always ready. I can't wait to do another live. You guys, did you see that face she just made? If you saw it on the phone, it's even worse. Are you done?
I'm like, why are you showing me all your teeth?
Ooh, the head. Okay.
Alright.
I get really excited when I start performing.
Yeah, because you know how he be.
The ponytail.
Not this is the look.
What?
I've been seeing this look everywhere flipping. And I've been trying to figure out. There it is. I don't like bad boys.
His mic's
such as
away.
rock stars. But for him, I'll give it up.
It's good. Okay.
Oh, this time. Is this actual like live performance, or is this like showing?
What?
Is this behind the scenes?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe this is a live type of thing. Live stream. Dang, and I got excited.
Sing again. Let's just get what's going.
Back, you're all that I have. Tell me that you're thinking about me too. In the kind of raw.
It's playing on.
Go back, then.
Take me back to the start, we'll repeat it, yeah. In my kind of raw. Kind of raw.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's like showing like in between, I guess.
Take me back to the start, we'll repeat it, yeah.
Ugh.
You really out.
Body.
It's all you, we still wanna go. Cause it's not about you. Okay.
There we go. Okay, I see.
Rolling in 3,
That was like,
2, 1, and we're live.
Yeah. It's not about you.
It's not my favorite, but I do like this one. I do.
I listen to HD.
In my kind of raw.
Here's like weird. So is Lust.
If it's not about you, cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, the memories recall. No, if it's not about you.
He doesn't have the glasses on. I was like,
You know that I don't lie. Look into my eyes. I don't want us to die. Just wanna be by your side. You can take all my
Sir, I
time.
need you to put a
My time
shirt
is
on
my life.
now.
My love will come in time. Take my will,
He's
take my
walking around
life.
like that.
Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm dead. What you do? If you don't wanna stay, you wanna go. I know, yeah. I really tried hard, you know. I stopped looking back at you for a minute. I lost track, pull me back up for my lady. Take me back to the start, we'll repeat it, yeah. In my camera raw, yo, cause you wanna call. No, it's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, the memories recall. No, if it's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Better get away if you don't wanna stay. I don't wanna see her. I don't wanna see her. Take my breath
But I wanna
away.
see you.
I'm feeling lost today. I don't wanna see her. I don't wanna see her. I can't let go, yeah. But these days you just don't know what I do. Tell me that you're coming back. You're all that I have. Tell me that you're thinking about me too.
Alright,
In my
sorry.
camera
He's just in the strip and he's like,
yo, what you wanna call? Ignore if it's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall. The memories we call. No, if it's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Yeah.
sorry guys.
In my camera raw.
I'm okay.
Oh,
He slows things down and gets
no,
better.
it's not about you. It's not about you. Our photos on the wall.
Yeah.
For
I could put you in my ears and then closer to your literally.
He's out.
Yeah.
Where's the next one?
Shirtless king.
Next live.
I knew it was good. What you do? That's a bad word.
He knows. Oh, he knows.
Bitch, you got him off like me.
This is my song, y'all.
Whoa.
He's saying all the
I'm
words.
so proud, boy, but my gasoline be about the face. Oh shit. Balenciaga Prada on my feet.
I believe it. I seen your
Yeah, we see it. Stories on
I'ma
Instagram.
hit it when the cloud, yeah. I'ma fly the flash out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so when you come, type of brands, but you can't control me. You ain't gonna need to learn it. Let's get it fitted. Oh shit.
I'll be setting up for work to the song. He's in there just flipping chairs nicely. I really got this played in my ear.
That can be on the street walking. I'll be looking like this.
She's like the sweetest little girl ever. No, she's just listening to bad words.
Can't help it. It's really good.
Song makes him turn up. Literally. Hey! Hey! He's just saying it for fun now.
Yeah, please. Really. No, because I know the song. Y'all
I know the song. At the song, there's no words there.
Okay.
Naughty, naughty boy.
Next live.
Okay, what's next? Really? That's back at the top.
Yeah,
Remember this one?
yeah.
They're copying me.
Carry it all day. I would love to paint, blocking your thoughts solely. You like the canvas paint, blame yourself.
That is not back up there, sis. I know exactly what that is.
Can I get out and you're stuck in the shirt? Not being eternally bottomless pit. You can never get away from this love.
Yeah.
You can never get away from this love.
It's like I got a weird
No, you will never know what's enough. No. The pain that you feel gets you falling right out of that door. Feel the adrenaline pumping inside of your core. You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you'll always be running alone. That's a demon, that's a devil.
I cannot stand Felip.
Can't go missing on
Oh, I want some man just because y'all doing it.
Come on, dance with me.
Look at him.
I'm gonna fuck you up, 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 fuck you up,
Fuck you for that angle. That angle.
He just wants to say bad words.
Look at money, pushes trees, all of the things keeping me free.
You
No,
know,
I'm a
I
fan,
feel
but I
that
got
voice.
needs. I'm coming down, I'm on my knees. I need a hand, come rescue me. Take me away, follow the seas. Out of my mind, out of my reach. I get a pay. I'm doing a thing, I'm in store. Somebody feel on my go. Thinking I'm on the road. I need a poison to drown all these stars. I'm just a man and I know it, I know that I fly. I need me something to feel at the point of my life. You can never get away from this love. You can never get away from this love. Know that you will never know what's enough. No.
His hair is always so
The pain that
goofy.
you feel
It
gets you
is.
far right out of that top.
Yo, why she rolling?
His ass is
Doing it like that.
Tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you always be running on.
I thought he was gonna look up and see Ken doing that. I'll do that.
Mirror in the deeper on the field. Feels like got me feeling so free. Though I thought I was wrong, but I was weak.
I love a good undercut and the long hair.
You always tell me that when it's down.
But the liquor can't
Oh,
go.
shit.
I don't need it done.
Yeah, the right.
I just love how Filipinos can sing one moment and then the next moment they just go full blown rock star, raspy voice, screaming. Like I'm like, what were you just singing a while ago? Like this round? Like what's going on?
I really drink under the tree, oh, I'm in a fantasy. I take a beat, now I can't see what is in front of me. You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself.
I'm not complaining, I swear I'm not. But I don't remember the song being this long. I don't remember it being that long. I don't know, maybe I don't listen to it enough.
They're about to water. I know this one. I know that you. Did you raise your jacket
Yeah, he
off?
ready to say it.
Raise your jacket off. He just like this.
Put that jacket back on. He ain't got no shirt on. I mean, I'm not complaining. But,
Keep it on, sorry.
sweetheart, I look at
I got a lot of those.
Can y'all imagine being at the concert and just hearing this? I'll be in there crying, boy! You have to make a circle for me!
Oh, this girl get down.
Digging the hunt around the door, I don't give a fuck, yeah. All of this bitch and singles
Whose
and
verses
cold,
is this?
yeah.
I was like,
Different way.
what is going on?
Woke up on Vegas, I get a nigga water boy, yeah. I'm the coolest motherfucker, just let you die.
Because his voice just kept changing. I'm like,
catch a cold, yeah, yeah. Way too cool is illegal, authorities. Coming okay.
Hop in the back like that, so you not be able to catch yourself one at a time.
keep going backwards. Girl, I don't know what to say.
Oh my. Ken. When
I wasn't expecting
and he's
that.
gonna just get off.
Look at
Yeah, I get a lot of doors. I'm just flexing in my post. I know that you're feeling when I'm on a
Is
roll.
he a tattoo?
Yeah, she can wait.
I want to see
Give a
Paleo.
fuck in a lyrical shake. Counting on hip hop, no work on my
Paleo Ken. Ooh, the shoes, babe.
That's how they found out, Yana. Kuna kana, Felip, Silanova. Unyama, flex, be quarta, flex, Adina, that's flex,
He
the
wants to go
Paya.
into a split.
Yeah, please don't do
Sikin ng
that.
bukla ng gamit ka peke. Ang pag-usin sa mga basta may papalit ka. Sikin ang bilya ng crazy.
Ooh, what'd you get down there?
We was just on the speaker.
Ay,
I'm pretty quick.
Willie. I get a lot of dogs. I've been flexing in my pose.
This is the fun?
I know that you're better when I'm on the road. Yeah, take a price, you can overdose. Walk on my pillow, digging a hollow, got your toe. I don't give a fuck. I love this species.
This the part we was like,
Every time I hear it, I just laugh. It's just like, what?
who was that?
Woke up and take
Excuse me. You know what?
We had to go back.
No, you did not say that. Yes, you
If I
did.
cut in my way, if I catch it cool.
I forget how old he is.
Yeah.
I be thinking he's like younger than me, but he's not.
He's older. But she ain't taking him in.
I come on a case, 6 digits, pants close, 6 digits, come harsh, ridiculous. I'm a fucking star, it's only natural, that a miracle. I work myself till I know to count it all. I'm spending my money 24/7 a regular. 24/7, 24/7 a regular. Yeah. Cause I'm a star. I'm a fucking star. I'm different rock star.
I will say the brown looks great on that.
And then the red background.
Red always looks good on him.
Always. Like when he had the red hair.
That's his color.
Mix Live.
Well, he had red.
Yeah.
Oh, the red hair.
Yeah, the long red hair.
Yeah.
Oh, Cardi B.
Hey guys, I'm Cardi B.
I was like, what? He did not just say that.
He looks so good. Ah, that's a
You guys
Everyone,
see
this is
him.
That's
Felip,
wallpaper.
and welcome to the set of Mix Live.
Ah, he does look like Cardi B.
medyo pause yung boses ko
Hey
kasi
guys, I'm Cardi B.
yung mga pinerform ko kanina ay medyo mga hard hit songs. So
That's when we didn't know he was like.
that was very, like
I
mixed
didn't know
channel
it,
metal
too.
genre and hip hop. So I
not.
did mga very
You got
raspy
that,
na sound sa voice. In terms of pag-perform and especially yung set natin, grabe, sobrang solid, sobrang ganda ng set. Sobrang nakakagana mag-perform. Kumbaga, kung ano yung nakikita mo sa surroundings mo,
But
kasi
you sing
parang
like that.
yun eh. Parang
See,
pumapasok
you
sa'yo,
call me,
parang
like,
yun. So,
literally, I just need
ayun, sobrang,
lullaby
sobrang
to
ganado
go
na ako
to sleep.
mag-perform ngayon. And
either you or
sobrang
Papa.
na-enjoy ko lahat. And sobrang
Still,
smooth lang ng
he
work
gonna
namin
look too
ngayon.
churchy for me.
Wala masabi.
I won't be able to get a
Sobrang solid. Sa lahat po ng supporters
He's
ko.
gonna do the rock version.
Close your deck,
Sa
close your deck,
lahat
thank you,
ng
thank you, thank you.
CCU, sa lahat ng
Oh!
stands, especially sa 18 din.
Guys,
Maraming salamat
this girl's
sa pagpatuloy
tripping.
na
He
pagsuporta
showed
sa
more
akin.
skin.
He's gonna give you the rock
Wala ko
version of
magpasabi
Lullaby.
kundi magpasalamat sa inyo kahit
I'll
po
take
ulit.
Steve.
But still,
Pablo, I'll
I'll
take
take
Pablo.
Justin.
And
I'll take Pablo.
ayun, binabalik ko sa inyo
I'll take
lahat
Josh.
mga kamit ng achievement in the future and sa mga nakamit ko. Kayo dahil na kung bakit naabot ko yun. And sa lahat din po ng mga casual listeners and sa mga hindi pa nakapakinig sa akin, ako po si Felip. Kung may chance
We
kayo
know.
na pakinggan yung music ko, please listen to it. As Vincent's
We already listened to it.
album is
Only if
out
you come to
now.
Atlanta.
Envy, which is part ng album,
Okay,
is
okay.
out na rin po. So,
I'll listen to it again
you might
only
wanna
if you
check
come
it
to
out.
Atlanta.
So,
You guys need to
check it for yung music ko. I
It's
hope
like, no,
nagustuhan
let me stop.
niyo
I play it
lahat.
every day.
And Maraming salamat po, Meg, sa pagbigay ng ganitong opportunity sa akin na makapag-promote ng aking music. And maipakita po sa mga tao yung talento ko. Sobrang laking tulong po nito sa akin na isang artist, yung art ko na mapakita sa maraming tao. Kaya pinabalik ko po sa iyo, Mix, yung honor. Again po ako si Felip.
This is dressing room.
Maraming salamat.
Don't
I
follow
got
him.
lost. I thought this was the bathroom.
It's gonna like, get out of here.
Jesus, look at him in there.
Ooh. What was it? Oh, guys, you can't see me.
As usual, Ken always kills.
Always.
I got a little scared a little bit at the end. I wasn't sure what was going
He
on.
started screaming and was like, "Ooh, are you okay?
Yeah.
This is a different side.
Yeah.
You don't have this side when you're with
It's rock start.
What happened? It just came out, didn't it?
Cut it out. Leave him alone.
It
He's
just
cute.
came out.
But
It's on my
anyways,
hair.
his album is really good. I can't wait until we do episode 2. If you really want that, comment down below. But I'll leave the rest up to you. You opened this one.
Without anything else to say, really, then. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you know what's new videos, and don't forget to add us on Instagram or our separate YouTube channels. My hair is looking a mess. I need to go to bed. I'm just wiper. What time is it? It's 11:07, y'all.
Girl, she is complaining. Shut up. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you come back because you're great. We're great. So come back so we can be great together, guys. Bye.